You and I use Google every day. We search for information, watch countless videos, and exchange emails. But did you know that people are earning anywhere from $50 to $300 every single day just by using this same Google? And the best part? You don't need any money to start. In today's video, I will show you 3 powerful Google tools that even beginners can use to start earning. And trust me, the last one is the easiest. Part 1. Google Docs Money Method. The first tool is Google Docs. Many companies are looking for it every day. Blog writers, product description writers, simple research writers. Most of the work can be done just using Google Docs. So, how do you do it? Step 1. Write small articles. Step 2. Post on freelance sites. Step 3. Write with Docs when you get a client. Many beginners are earning between $20 to $100 per article. And the best part? You can do this work just with a laptop or even your phone. Part 2. Google Maps Method. Now, let's come to the second method. Many people don't know about this method. Google Maps. Every day, thousands of small businesses struggle to set up their profiles correctly on Google Maps. Here's your opportunity. You can optimize business information, add photos, and write descriptions for them. Many freelancers are charging anywhere from $50 to $500 for this service, because a good Google listing can attract many customers to the business. Part 3. Google Drive Digital Product Trick. Now here's the real method. You can sell digital products using Google Drive. You can create checklists, templates, small guides, or study notes. Then you can sell them online using a Google Drive link. Once you create these products, you can sell them over and over again. Some creators are earning thousands of dollars a month just by selling templates. Retention boost. But here's a mistake most people make. They just watch videos, but they don't take any action. The secret to online income is speed. He who starts first, learns first, and earns first. Strong call to action. If you want me to show you in the next video 5 websites where beginners can earn their first $500, then comment Google Money and like this video. Because on this channel, I share trending online income methods. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Bye!